Are there challenges that they face in terms of bringing an LC system online? What do you think
Sure.
the hurdles look like there?
Good question. So the first people I can think of are the cannabis labs, as it's an industry that's growing. Their testing has been just, it's not there. It's been a gray area, I believe. And correct me if I'm wrong, with GC and HPLC in this cannabis world, these labs, there's still a gray area. Who's regulating this, etc. about this. So with that said, these labs want an instrument, and HPLC, you have to start from what is an HPLC? What are you going to use it for? Like, you're not dealing with your everyday chemist, your everyday environmental lab technician. So that's a challenge. And of course, when they see the price, they're like, what, for the machine, this much? And are you going to teach me about it? Is it training? Of course, we can hold your hands with this thing. So that's one industry I can think of that I don't hear from them for 6 months because probably scared them away because they don't know what an HPLC is. A robot? Is it? No, it's something to test your product with, your terpenes, your pesticides, whatever. So that's a big challenge.
And you touched on cannabis as a space where you think that LC could be becoming more popular. What would you say has been the driving force in terms of the most popular market where you're seeing liquid chromatography gain traction?
So that's one of them. Water testing, man. Water testing. You mentioned that. That's another big one. As there's always errors in water testing. And I live in Austin, Texas, and I'm not saying it happens all the time, but you'll wake up and there's a report that you have to boil some water because, something's going on with the water. And in my eyes, is like, uh-oh, somebody dropped the ball in the lab. And some VOC didn't get tested or something. So water testing in cannabis is probably the first thing that comes to mind, that it's like still a big emerging market. Pharmaceutical, I think it's the giant